Congratulations on purchasing your Ryobi petrol lawnmower powered by Yamaha. Let's see what's in the box. You have your catcher, side throw chute, some bolts and user manual, the bottom handle section, and your mower, which already has the mulch plug installed in the back, and the top section of the handle is connected by the throttle cable. Firstly, you'll need to assemble the handle. Step 1 is to slide the lower section of the handle into the brackets of the mower so that the holes line up. For this bottom section of the handle, you'll need these quick release fasteners. Firstly, undo the bolt and be careful not to lose this threaded piece. So first, slide the bolt through the bracket hole from the inside to the outside and thread it into place until you get the right tightness, and then clip the handle in place. Then you'll do the same on the other side. For the top section of the handle, there are 3 heights, so fit it to your desired setting, lining up the holes here. For this handle, you'll need these bolts and nuts. So undo the bolt. You'll need to make sure that the washer is on the outside of the handle. Same as the lower section, put the bolt in from the inside to the outside, then the washer, and then the nut on the outside and tighten it up, and then do the same on the other side. The final part of the handle assembly is just fitting this cable clip. This just keeps the cable out of the way when you fold the handles. So just clip that into place like that, and you're all done. This mower comes with a few accessories. So it comes with a catcher, a side throw chute, and a mulch plug, which is already fitted when you purchase the mower. If you want to use the side throw function, you'll need to fit that by placing it underneath the metal rod to the side, clipping it in, and then lowering that flat there to hold it in place. If you're wanting to use the catcher, you'll need to remove the mulch plug. So just unclip that and then fit the catcher by the 2 clips on each side onto the metal rod at the back, and then lower that flap and you're ready to go. Prior to using your mower, always refer to all warning labels which are specific to this model. They'll tell you the types of oil and fuel to use as well as the quantities. As this is a 4-stroke mower, you'll need standard 91 octane unleaded petrol. Inside the filler, there's an indicator, so you'll fill to the bottom of that indicator there. Next step is to fill with 500 ml of at least 10W30 semi-synthetic 4-stroke oil into this cap here. The mower does come with a fold-out paper funnel which you can use, or you can use your own provided funnel. Just make sure it's really clean before use. You can check the quantity in there by inserting the filler cap back in, which has an indicator on it. The oil mark should be in between the high and the low mark on here. You're now ready to start your mower. This mower has a little a bracket up here on the handle, so this allows you to keep your pull cord at close reach so it's easier to start. So just feed the cord through there, that'll hold it in place. Always make sure you're wearing the appropriate safety gear. So for this, glasses and earmuffs. The first step you want to do is turn the fuel tap on, which is this red valve here. So make sure it's in line with the fuel line. Then you've got your primer bulb here, which you push 3 times. Then set your throttle into full position and then pull sharply.
Ryobi, a cut above.